Thank you everyone for hopping on. Hindi ko na patatagalin pa kasi meron naman ako mga buffer slides talaga para patagalin yung announcement. Pero to those who are new to the group, just in case, because I think last time during the top 10, I wasn't able to announce or I wasn't really able to talk about what we're doing here. So to those who are unaware, Daksdakan is the name for our podcast or video podcast, that is. It is to those who are not native to the Filipino language. Dakdak is a Filipino verb, which means to talk nonstop, and Daksdakan is a meeting with other Power BI Pilipinas members. Language is in Filipino English, and topics would include Power BI updates, best practices, features, industry applications, ask me anything, etc. And we are live in Teams. So hello sa mga nasa Teams ngayon. Uy, hi Jay, hi Kenneth. So thank you for joining me here, and hello din sa mga nasa Facebook Live. And this will be, as almost usual, uploaded via our YouTube channel, via the Power BI Pilipinas YouTube channel. And about us, just in case, again, you are pretty new, since we had a lot of new members ever since the data challenge started. We are Power BI Pilipinas. We are founded in March 2020. And we are an online community of currently 29,000 Microsoft Power BI enthusiasts in the Philippines. We are all over the web. QR code is there just in case you want to join us in our other social media platforms. Pero couple of things that I do want to highlight is the Facebook group, because that's where most of the activity is. That's where the 29K is coming from. And then I would also like to highlight the Microsoft Fabric community. The Microsoft Fabric community. It's not something that's highlighted as much or is as active as the Facebook group, and it might be something that Microsoft, I think, is slowly kind of phasing out, but it is something that I'm very proud of because currently we are actually the number one Microsoft Power BI community in the world. So as when I say number one, the largest. Naunahan natin yung mas malaki na tayo sa India, mas malaki na tayo sa Europe, whatever, the other Power BI groups in that community. So thank you to everyone who joined, and thank you to everyone who will be joining. We do have a Discord channel as well. Hindi ganun kagamit pero I do check it I think more than once a week, just in case there are any messages that float around there. And again, for those who are new, mission vision ng Power BI Pilipinas, as far as mission is concerned, it is to develop qualified Power BI developers in the Philippines. This group started out mainly as an educational group. So people posting personally, posting tutorials, answering questions, etc. So I'm really, really happy to see na it has evolved much more than that. Na may data challenges na tayo, may mga sponsors, may mga events, may mga meetups, etc. So we are continuously building, trying our best to maintain actually a conducive learning environment via accessible development opportunities and various support groups. So yun nga, help us help you. If you see either may scammer dyan or may hindi maganda ugali dyan, feel free to report to the page or to any of the moderators that you know. And vision is to be the best Power BI community in the Philippines, providing the friendliest network of members and the most talented pool of applicants for recruiters and clients. So, quickie, Power BI Pilipinas updates. Currently, we are at 741 Microsoft community members. And still, largest in the world. Again, thank you very much to those who joined. And konting reminder, Tech Bayanihan 2025, December 3 and 4, happening next week na, less than 7 days away, Microsoft Philippines, Makati. Now, before tayo mag-announce ng mga winners, syempre, konting shoutout. Big thank you sa mga judges. Actually, Christian Robles, or you may know him as Zach, you may know him as Opa BI, super helpful person. Siya in partnership with Dane, si Dane Christian Bellarmino. You might know him as Dax Jutsu. Silang dalawa yung nag-partner up in terms of building the data set. So, pag may tanong kayo regarding the data, supplementary data sets that you can even connect to it, marami pa silang gustong ikabit. Kaya lang nagiging overcomplicated na. I kept telling them kasi na na medyo i-simplify nyo, i-pre-clean ninyo kung pwede. Tapos mag-iwan lang kayo ng konting dumi. Kaya for the challenge participants, you might notice na may mga longitude, latitude kayo na nasa Indonesia. So, may mga konting dumi na iniwan pero sobrang gulo ng data in the beginning. So, huge thanks to Zach, to Dane for helping us out. Jenil Marlim, si Jemar, one of our moderators still. By the way, all of them are 6 of our, 11 moderators in the group. So, Jenil Jemar, thank you very much for helping out with the judging naman. He helped out. Actually, si Dane naman and Jemar partner up naman for judging criteria. Judging criteria pala kasama rin si Zach doon. Pero, so, silang tatlo, yun, pretty much. Nagtulong-tulong rin as far as helping us with the judging criteria, judging tabulation, etc., judging calculation. So, huge thank you to them as well. And then, of course, Rico Balibalita, si RJ Ban, si Nestor Los Angeles, si Alexis Gamboa, you may know him as ChatGPT. Huge thank you for giving your time, your effort as well as far as putting your scores in para hindi lang tatatlo yung magi-score. Nag-step down na talaga ako as judge kasi hindi na kinaya ng time with organizing this and other stuff in life. So, again, Zach, Dane, Jemar, Rico, Nestor, Alex, thank you very much. And shoutout na rin syempre again sa mga sponsors. So sa mga unang-una pa lang nag-join ng data challenge na to, you'll recognize these logos already. So DDA, Data Dreams Abroad, by one of our moderators, Dennis Demandaco. Yan yung mukhang pera geng-geng if familiar kayo sa group. Yun yung unang page niya. So nag-rebrand na siya. Yan, mas seryoso na siya ngayon sa Data Dreams Abroad. So huge thank you for sponsoring prizes. Tech Bayanihan, of course, happening next week again. Pinay Analyst sa US, thank you very much. Si Kay. Data Now Inc., Jason, thank you very much. Data Sense Analytics, Abs, thank you. iMerge, Engineer Jess Dale De La Cruz, thank you very much. Tech Bayanihan nga pala si Drez yan. And team, kasi malaki na yung team ni Drez sa Tech Bayanihan. And setting it up, syempre, medyo thank you for everyone's patience as far as, kumbaga joining this without knowing what the prizes are. Kasi, well, I kinda announced it pero very vague, diba? Malabo. Kumbaga, basta ang gusto ko lang malaman is may prizes ba? May prizes naman, pero hindi ko pa maayos-ayos back then. So, ito yung medyo mas cleaned up version. For the champion, or if gusto nyong i-defer, yun, we'll move down the ladder. There's one PL300 voucher available. Cash prizes amounting to 2,000 for the champion and 1.5k each. Tama ba yung computation ko? Tama. 1.5k each for the runners-up. Total of 5k. Gcash yan. Will be pag-uusapan na natin paano isa-send sa inyo. Tech Bayanihan 2025 All Access Pass for each of the top 3 participants. Again, for pag naka-sign up na pala kayo or hindi kayo available on those dates, you can defer and we will move it down the ladder. May ranking naman na kami sa judges or sila sa judges. Training vouchers from Data Sense Analytics, Data Now Inc., iMerge. Medyo pag-uusapan nyo na lang with those respective vendors. And then Power BI Pilipinas Data Challenge winner pouch and certificate. To those na nagtatanong ano yung winner pouch, saan ba yung video ko? Ayan. Ito siya. The focus is not focusing. Teka, lalayo ko ba? Lalapit ko. Basta yan na yun. Nakakita nyo naman, medyo nalilito yata yung camera ko sa pag ganyan. Okay, baka ito yung gusto niya. Ayan, medyo pwede na hindi. Wala, ayaw niya talaga Nalilito siya. Pero yun. And, syempre, sa likod. Tada! So, ayan. So you'll get this as far as the top 3 winners and certificate. And then for the top 10 prizes, iMerge training voucher. So yun, thank you sa iMerge. Kung makikita ninyo, 10 yung pinabaon nilang training vouchers for us to give away. And then Microsoft Loot. As far as Microsoft Loot, mamimili na lang kayo ng isa. Whether you want the MS Learn mug or the ano ba to? MS Learn pouch. Or actually, fanny pack siya. It's a belt bag. So, pagpipilian na lang yung mga yan. One of each. So, may 7 na makakuha na either mug or fanny pack. And then, certificate pa rin. And certificate na rin for, nalimutan ko. So, for everyone, I'll set up certificates din. Do know na medyo matatagalan. Manual ko na lang gagawin yon. Pag-iisipan ko kung dapat pina-power automate ko na. Pero, ayun, kumbaga, as of now, wala pang plans. Speaking of, we will be setting up, or we will be opening volunteers right after this challenge. Or maybe yun, tutulungan na lang ako ng mga volunteers. By the way, sorry, medyo all over the place na ako. Pero yun, I'll be opening up volunteers after this challenge. Ayoko lang before the challenge kasi I really wanted as much participants to be able to join. And if you're a volunteer, if you're a moderator, I will be excluding you from the challenge na mangyari. Para yun nga, para wala ring masabi. So yun nga, certificates will be sent out or will be available to all 43 participants. Tapos regarding the anything Microsoft Loot, yung data challenge pouch, shipping will be handled by the buyer. by the winner. So depende yon. We can meet somewhere then, Gira naman tayo doon. Oy, Renz. Oo nga, sayang, Renz. Ano ba yan? Ay, teka. Ay, hindi na-extend yung deadline actually. Oo nga, nag-extend pala ako. Oo nga, nag-extend kami from November 16 yata to November 19. Di bale. What I can tell everyone this, hindi ito yung huling data challenge ng Power BI Pilipinas. So, we actually, I don't know. Hindi ko natanong pala yung judge, pero I think they had fun naman. I know I had fun. Nakakapagod lang at hinabol ko rin tong mga slides na to like an hour, 2 hours ago. Pero yun, I hope everyone had fun. For sure, meron pang pangalawa. Maybe next year nga lang. Pero yun, for sure, meron pang pangalawa. So, again, participants, judges, sponsors, thank you very much. And without further ado, again, I'd like to recognize our top 7 entries. Lizelle, Justin, Charles, Joseph, Tito, Christopher Lance, and Ronnie. So, sa mga medyo kabisado or sa mga participants mismo, alam nyo na, there are 3 that were not mentioned here. Those are our top 3. So, again, ulitin ko, thank you very much. I'm gonna stay a bit on this slide. Thank you very much. Ang gagaling. Nahirapan yung mga judges. And dito kahit sa top 10 na lang, dun sa top 43 mahirap na. Sa top 10 mas mahirap kasi nagtatay. Gumawa pa kami ng mga tiebreaker, ng mga conditions, etc. Na mga nag-edit pa kami ng mga formula tuloy kasi walang umangat na top 10 na easy top 10 to. Wala ring umangat na easy top 3 to. So medyo nagkaroon pa ng konting adjustments and napagod na lahat ng judges at naghanap na lang kami ng mga madadaling ways para medyo some of them slightly subjective ways na to pick the winner pero yon. Everyone agreed naman that I can say as far as our top 3 and as far as our champion is concerned. So, I will be announcing 2 runners-up and then finally the champion. All right? As far as runner-up number 1 or runner-up number 2, kasi we did rank them na. Big shout out to Data Visionary. You are 3rd place or our 2nd runner-up for the 2025 Data Challenge of Power BI Pilipinas. We really liked yung parang mala Jessica Soho, mala dokumentaryo ng GMA na or yun ABS. Actually maganda rin naman ng mga recent documentaries ng ABS. So huge props dun sa infographic style, dun sa kumbaga parang ang sarap niyang i-print tapos ilagay sa dyaryo or whatever. So very yun. Kumbaga as far as you lived up to the name Data Visionary, very eye-catching and very friendly we felt na very friendly to the masses dahil nga as in Tagalog na hindi pretentious, kumbaga Tagalog na parang broadcasting style yung yung atake niya. So very good. Congratulations again for being our third placer. For the second placer, congratulations to Liu, again to Will Awapga. We really liked the way you kumbaga broke out the data. It was very organized. It was very kumbaga yung as far as the story between the slides. And again, personally, natuwa nga ako dun sa individual. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo pa. Medyo maliit na kasi. Pero yan, yung mga maps na yan sa liit. Ito. Yung mga region, yun. Natuwa ako dyan sa mga JPEG nga na yan. Or kung ano man yan, PNG or whatever. Pero yun, nakakatuwa na yun. Per region, as in, active yan. So, actually lahat naman sila. Pero yun, kumaga, that's one of the key interactive parts of Will's entry. Tapos yun, kumaga, ang ganda nung nakakatuwa yung dynamism or yun, yung activeness nung part na yun, nung visual niya. So, again, congratulations, our second placer, Will. And last but not the least, sa mga kabisado, yung mga top 10 natin, alam nyo na kung sino. Or kung kayo yun, syempre alam nyo na, kayo na lang yung hindi na ma-mention. Huge congratulations to our champion for the first ever Power BI Pilipinas Data Challenge. Medyo hakot to Hakot si Jason Tupas. Ano na to, kumbaga again, nabanggit ko naman dati na if medyo nasa LinkedIn, kayo, data visualization circle, medyo madalas nyo nang maririnig si Jason, even foreigners, medyo naririnig-rinig si Jason because of kumbaga, he is very active sa data challenge and he kinda wins a lot, diba? Kumbaga, naalala ko pa kumbaga, I volunteer on Onyx Data's data challenges and may time na si Jason nanalo yan sa Zoom challenge, sabay siya yung nag-champion, sabay siya yung napili ko sa badge. So, para wag nga mahakot lahat. And to be fair, we always do that. Kumaga, hindi lang naman kay Jason. So, ni-revert ko yung badge ko, binigay ko sa iba para hindi hakot. Yung hindi lang pwedeng baguhin naman doon is yung championship and yung Zoom winner. Kasi separate major entities yun. Pero yung mga badge, we can kind of shift it around if yung nanalo is may major prize na. So again, huge congratulations to Jason. Ang hirap mamili ng EP print screen actually kay Jason. Ito yung cover page niya. Ito yung isa sa mga sa mga analytics pages niya or actual report pages niya. And ang dami mong pwedeng kunin. Ang dami mong pwedeng tignan sa gawa niya. This is a particularly fun one for me kasi animated, naka-GIF yung mga yung ano na yan, mata ng bagyo na yan. So yung mga weather report sinama niya, pictures from kumbaga yan nga yung mga actual weather disturbances plus of course yung mga and other kumbaga very apart from being interactive and fun, it was a very lively report. Kumbaga, again, if you're a beginner in Power BI, tapos makita mo yung report ni Jason, may inspire ka or ang tawag doon, may intimidate ka. So, good job as far as maximizing what Power BI can do. Website style and As far as all of the participants nga pala, yep, Jason, congrats. Nasa chat si Jason. As far as all of the participants, especially yung mga top 10, I believe may mga judges tayo that are preparing some feedback. Si Opa BI nag-post na kanina ng 10 feedback niya yata sa top 10. Pero for anyone else, kahit pag hindi kayo nasa top 10 and you feel fired up, you want to connect, feel free to reach out to the Power BI Pilipinas page or sa kahit sinong moderator and request for some feedback. I can forward your requests naman, and if may time yung mga judges yun, kumbaga they can highlight you in a post, they can highlight you or they can reach out to you, message you directly. Pero yun, kumbaga, ano lang, oras lang talaga yung blockers namin, yung challenge namin sa ngayon. Pero especially for me, medyo marami na akong ayusin post competition, post challenge. Pero for the judges, for the moderators, yun, kumbaga, all of them are very capable database folks. So feel free to reach out, feel free to ask for feedback. Walang mawawala sa inyo, huwag kayong mahihiya. Again, huwag kayong mahihiyang sumali. And huwag kayong mahihiyang magtanong. Huwag kayong mahihiyang mag-reach out sa mga moderators. So, again, huge congratulations to our champion, to our runners-ups. Runners-up lang pala, sorry. Daming plural. And to our top 7 entries. And again, sa mga participants na rin, syempre. So, that's pretty much it. 30 minutes lang pala yung kinailangan ko. Again, to those who are new with the group, feel free to connect with us. Power BI Pilipinas is all over the web. FB, Facebook remains to be our main social media channel. Pero yeah, feel free to reach out. Discord man yan, YouTube man yan, wherever man yan. Uy, may sumali pa sa Teams. Hello there. So again, thank you to everyone joining me via Teams, joining me via Facebook, and everyone have a good night. Congrats again. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.